Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're stuck on verification screen in the Grab app, whether it's not sending the code, not verifying your phone number, or just freezing, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to fix it. For that, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Switch between them if needed because a weak signal can block the verification process. After that, you want to ensure that you are entering your phone number with a correct country code. Double check for extra spaces or missing digit. And once you have done that, simply tap on resend code and wait patiently. If SMS does not arrive, choose call me instead if the option is available. And if it still does not fix your issue, you want to open up your app store. In the search bar, simply search for the Grab app and then tap onto it. If you see update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. If you're still facing the error even after following these steps, you want to go ahead and simply contact the Grab support. You can simply do this inside the app or go to help.grab.com and then report the issue. They may need to verify your number manually. And that's it guys, you should be able to pass the Grab app verification screen without issue. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you on the next one.